The Samsung Galaxy A8s comes with a large 6.39-inch Full HD and display with 19:5:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC, backed with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage that can be expanded to 512GB using a microSD card. It also comes in an 8GB RAM version. The optics of the phone include a 10-megapixel sensor, a 24-megapixel sensor and a 5-megapixel sensor. Towards the front is a 24-megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy A8s runs on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, with Samsung Experience UI 9.5 and is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. In terms of design, the Galaxy A8s comes with a glossy finish body with aluminum frame. Samsung hasn't revealed the price of the Galaxy A8s and there are no details about its launch in India.